Grand Junction, Tennessee this year, as for 40 years, to the National Field Trials Championships come pointers and a few setters from all parts of the nation. Eagerly they greet old friends. Next morning, out at Hobart Ames Plantation, the championships get underway. 3 hours of hard, intelligent running must be put in by the dog who would be champion. And in covering his 30 or 35 miles, he must show that he knows what he's hunting for. Quail. When you smell quail, a good dog knows, you must stop dead in your tracks. You must instantly obey your nose. You stand fast while your handler flushes the birds and shoots his gun to show your self-control. This is called being staunch to wing and shot. At breakfast, lunch, and dinner, dog gossip tells Sulu how things are going. She hears how one setter covered the course like a fox, found lots of birds, but flushed them himself. How an unthinking pointer chased a herd of deer. How another completely forgot his training. How, with a good performance, Sulu herself can win the Bingham Trophy. When Sulu's time comes, she starts down the course like the wind, and good pointers can work at 40 miles an hour. When her handler signals, she is quick to respond. Like a dancing girl, the little hunter minces up to single birds. The judges, racing up, find her poised on a perfect point. Intelligent and alert, she finds 3 coveys of quail in her second hour, impressing the judges, stirring the gallery. Then, near the end of her run, tireless little Sulu really clinches the title, when in a certain grassy gully she spots still another covey of quail, her 6th. She stalks up on them with dainty stealth. Then freezes in a way to make old sportsmen beam. Thus comes the verdict that Sulu is the best bird dog in America today. And as money changes hands, the proud new champion, keenest dog of a keenly bred strain, goes quietly back to the kennels, where tails are wagging in admiration of a perfect dog who has had her perfect day.